Hi guys, this is Mike and this is HTMCS. Today we're gonna see how to make the bishop. So let's get started. So guys, to do the bishop, I will do the stem first, then the base. Then I will follow up with the ring on the neck here, all these beads. And then I will finish with the head. So once I reach the depth of 14 here, I will start to do the curve here, and I need to reach 7 over here. I will swap with the spindle gouge now.
If you haven't done it already, subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with the new videos. It costs you nothing, but it means a lot to me. Every once in a while I'm checking on my template if I'm shaping it correctly. Now it's time to turn the base, and I will start with the V-groove to separate the stem and the base. Then I will turn the base from the center towards the V-groove and from the center towards the lower part. Before I get to the next part, I like to sand it off and smooth it out and fix all the imperfection.
So once I finish this part, I will need to reduce this diameter to the biggest one, which is 13. I will do everything 13, then I will start to do this, all of this bit here, but I will reduce the speed to do all of this bit because it's very difficult to do each bit if I'm doing a tiny little bishop. So I need to be extremely careful not to mess it up. So that's why I'm reducing the speed in order to minimize any damage. In this part here, I need to do 3 rings, and then it will start the head from here. So here I need to do one big ring, and on the top of that another a bit smaller. Then there's a part of the neck, and then there's a last ring before the head starts. So once I finish this part, I start to put the speed to maximum level again. If you have a chuck now, you can chop this part off and start finishing on the lathe, and you can apply the finish. This lathe is in sheet metal, it's not in cast iron. So when I bought a chuck, it has so many vibrations that I couldn't use it. It was very unstable. So that's why I'm not using a chuck here. But I will apply the finish here today, and then I will chop this part off. I will sand it a little bit on the top, and I will give a cut here, the bishop cut over here. And I will just reapply the finish on these two little parts. Now it's time to chop this part off and start to do the bishop cut. So the bishop cut is just a straight cut from the top down there. It's no rocket science. So there you go. You just need now to sand here over the top, a little bit inside, reapply a little bit of paste wax and oil, and then we just need to cut it here and place a pad underneath, and then the bishop is done. So guys, this is my finished bishop. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you want to check out all the other pieces, check out my HTMCS playlist where you can find all the other pieces. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with the new upcoming videos.